Morning, everyone. So, here we will start our new chapter from here about the software testing. So, those who want to make the career in the software testing or those who really interested in the software testing, this tutorial and this course will definitely help them to get the job or get the acquired knowledge of software testing. Uh, Here we will discuss about what is a software testing. So it is our first session. So from the first session, we will start just basic about the software testing for today, and we'll continue this series with the more advanced knowledge like types of software testing, when and which types of testing we have to perform in manual testing, what is SDLC, what is STLC, then what is the database testing, what is the API testing, how we used to perform the API testing and database testing, then what is automation testing. In automation, we will learn about the test engine, Selenium. We will use to learn the Java, OOPS concept as well. Then how to write the script with the help of Eclipse, how to execute the test cases, how to perform the performance and load testing by using the JMeter, what is the Git, how to use the Git, etc. We'll continue on the same, but for today, we'll learn about the what is the testing. So here, I have already mentioned about the basics of software testing. So just let's go one by one. So what is the software testing? Software testing is the process to evaluate the software application. Okay, means we are evaluating the software application. Software application is like any application, any website or any mobile application or any website like amazon.com. So we are used to identify and evaluate that application to check the defects. Okay, so in that we check the bugs. If scroller is not working, drop down is not working, search bar is not working, product are not displaying properly, etc. So we identify and fix the defect, ensure the quality of product, and to verify that meet the specific requirement. So who gives the requirement? Requirement is given by the client. Okay, or we can say the product owner. So Amazon's product owner is its owner. So they give the specific requirement that they want these types of software, and the tester used to perform the testing, different kinds of testing on it. It involved executing the software under the controllable condition and validate its functionality, performance, security, usability, and compatibility. So in that case, we used to perform various types of testing on the application to check its functionality, performance, security, usability, compatibility, etc. for the end user so that user can use it easily without any defects and without any bug. So let's see what is the key objective of software testing. Identify the defect to find, fix bug and error in the software. Okay. So what is the key objective? First one is the identify the defect. The main objective of the software testing to identify the defect and to provide a defect-free software. And that we find the bug, error in the software. Then ensure the quality. We must ensure the quality of product to get the product reliable, efficient, and user-friendly for the end user. Okay. Then what is verify requirements? Okay. In the objective, third point is verify requirements to confirm that software meet the business technical requirement. Whatever the project owner give the requirement, it should be meet with it. It is a main responsibility for the tester. Then to prevent the issue, to detect the potential problem early in the development life cycle, reducing the cost and time. Means like whenever you are developing the application by the developer, you have to test that application. So the bugs should be identified at initial level and later on it not affect your application. Okay. So identifying the bug at early stages, what helps? It helps to good development of the application and reduce the times and cost as well. Then improve the performance. In the improve performance, what? To validate the software behavior under the different condition. Example, high load, poor network. Okay. Sometimes what happen? Your load on application is so much, or you have some internet connectivity, light is not on your area, Wi-Fi is gone. So in that condition, how your application behavior, we also check that. Okay. Then types of software testing. So manual testing it includes like performed by the tester without using the automated tools. And so in manual testing, we don't use the any automated tool. We just perform the manually. It's involved the test case execution, exploratory testing, regression testing, retesting is most famous. Then also there is sanity testing, smoke testing, then globalization testing. There are lots of kind of testing we are used to perform the manual testing. We'll learn one by one later on. Then another one is the automation testing. So automation testing use the tool like Selenium, JUnit, or Appium. Appium is for the mobile application. Okay, and Selenium is used for both web and mobile application. Selenium is the main content for the automation testing where we can automate the application. Okay, JUnit we are used for the load and performance testing, automated test case and repetitive regression tasks. Level of software testing. So what is the level of software testing? First is unit testing. Unit testing is done by the developer. Okay, testing individually component or the module. Okay, and it's mainly performed by the developer to check his level whether the application is performing right or not. Then integration testing. Integration testing include testing the interaction between the integral module. Whatever the integrate module is integrated, like you are integrated payment module with your application. So what will it affect on your application? We have to check on that integration testing. Then system testing, entire application as a whole. Okay. System testing, you have to perform end-to-end testing. And acceptance testing, what? Verifying its system meets user expectation. Okay. So acceptance testing is ready to accept for the end user, like UAT. Hmm. Then common testing types. Functional testing include validate specific function of the software. Like function, we can say register a job is your function. So we validate whether it is properly registering or not. Then performance testing. Performance testing, what it's evaluate the speed, scalability, and reliability of the application. Then security level testing, we check the security of the application, the data protection and system security, etc. Usability testing, check the user friendly and friendliness of the interface. Okay, usability testing we use to check the user friendly or not. Okay, security testing we are used to perform the security of the application. Then regression testing it ensure change don't break the existing functionality, right? So in regression testing we used to perform end-to-end testing whether any changes on the application don't affect on next release or the released application. And so I'm giving you one assignment for you. So you have to find what is the functional testing and non-functional testing, what is the difference between it, and you have to study about what is the SDLC. Okay, so it is a task for your next session. We will discuss in detail about it, but before that, you just Google it. What is the SDLC and what is the types of functional and non-functional testing we are used to perform on the application. Okay, so that's it for today, and we will continue from the next session about the SDLC and other types of manual testing. Okay, thank you so much.